There's two aircraft manufacturers in all Europe, and only one of those became successful. Can you guess what made successful? Let's first talk about Bach. Bach is famous for creating the most famous and fastest aircraft ever, which is the Bach Concorde. But the went bankrupt because of the Air France crash 4590. And they had a ton of another regional jet made like Bach 111, who used Ryanair for a few years. It actually went unsuccessful. Then we have Airbus. Airbus is the most popular, and most of you know the Airbus. And Airbus was known for its good wide bodies, such as Airbus Beluga, A380s. And they still making production in Hamburg, Frankfurt Airport, and Toulouse. They still producing aircraft. They haven't the legendary Baby Bus, but Baby Bus is only for Air France, who's actual creator of the Airbus. In 2018, they bought A220 from the Bombardier. The Canadian aircraft maker makes private jets now. First it was called G series, but they really poor and they sold it to Airbus. And Airbus made engine to the most popular and widely used aircraft, A220. Even Air Baltic is a world fleet of A220 since 2019. Not now about Air Baltic, it's about Airbus. And the final part about it, it's safer than Boeing. Boeing was actually created in 1916 in USA. So, and Airbus was created in 1972 in Toulouse, France. The first aircraft was built in A300. Then came A310, A320 family, such as A380, called Baby Bus, talked with earlier. Then A390, A320, and A321, A330, A340, with now almost every single airline retired it. And A350, who's now producing now making the Project Sunrise with it. It completed its first test flight from Toulouse to Sydney because they really want to operate. From Sydney to London Heathrow, so they need an aircraft who perfectly fits their almost 33-hour journey. So Airbus making A350-1000 ULR. And you know most about it, but there's no A370 and A360, but there's A380 the second. Double-decker coverall. Airbus 747 entered way earlier, like in late 70s. You're in service, famous for the Tenerife crash. With another Pan Am, the crash Pan Am, but nope, now not about Boeing. Now we need to talk about Airbus A380. 3D was made the most popular, but he stopped creating it since 2019. A ton of airlines rich airlines such as Emirates, Singapore, Etihad, has it, and British Airways. Everyone who's rich can afford because the one Airbus A380 cost to make 25 billion euros because the French currency is euros and German is euros. So yeah, that's all about Airbus information. So bye, have a good day.